Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How is everyone doing today? I hope you are doing well. I am doing great. Before we get into this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, so we are still working on our bath bombs. And today we are going to shrink wrap them. I'm just placing my gloves and let's get this going. So you know we have our bag, 6 by 11, our shrink wrap bags. I have my heat sealer over here close by. I also have my, let me bring it closer to me. I have my heat gun. I'm ready to go. Ready to go on this wonderful Wednesday. March is rolling out, right? Rolling out. So let's bring the star of the shows in. And here we have Lemon to My Lime. Lemongrass Essential Oil. Lemon to My Lime. All right, so we already know the drill on it. There's nothing to it but to do it. I'm just shaking it off. I'm placing the bath bomb, holding it in one hand. Making sure to take some of those crumbs out of here. All right, so the bath bomb is in. Okay. Bring my sealer over. I'm pressing it down in the sealer. Let's see if I can get this closer so y'all can see. There you go. All right, so just press down. Guess I could have straightened the bag out a little better, but it's okay. All right, that's our other half. We have our bomb here, and I'm gonna cut off all that excess. So I place it right in, press down, and it's off. See that? And then you have your bath bomb. Do that once more. Let me show it to you. We painted them with mica, green and yellow mica powder with a little bit of alcohol. It was a half teaspoon of alcohol to, you can put a half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, it's up to you. You know I use my little popsicle stick because I don't like too much color. We have our bath bomb. I'm not going to do much talking, so let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, what do I need to know? I'm going to say that again. The quote of today is, what do I need to know? What do I need to know? Let me give you that food for thought, right? What do I need to know? And this is the one that we're going to use, so I'm not even going to wrap that one. We're going to use that as the tester. All right, so we'll place this one in and wrap this one. What's up Wednesday? So what's up? What's up Wednesday? What's going on? Comment down below and tell me what's going on. What are you doing? What's going on in your neighborhood? What's up? What is up? I would like to know so we can talk about it. Any issues, anything that you want to talk about, just leave a comment down below. What's up Wednesday? And we will bring it to the family on Wednesday. On What's Up Wednesdays, okay? Anything you like to talk about, just leave your comment or you can email me. No more talking. Let's listen to some music now. are done with our shrink wrapping. All done. This is Mother Earth. Rosemary and eucalyptus essential oil. So we are done for today, guys. Lemon to my lime. All I'm going to do is label them, and it is it. What's up Wednesday? Leave a comment down below and tell me what's going on, okay? Love you. Mwah. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, right? Our luxurious, all-natural bath bombs. Bye.